Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 very easy painting techniques you can use for your next landscape painting. I really hope you enjoy this video. So before I get to the 3 techniques you can use, I'll go through the main steps so you can see how I ended up with the final painting. So the first thing I did in this painting was to draw in the composition with burnt umber, and then I established the shadows with a light tone. After the initial drawing and underpainting, I blocked in the sky and painted in the distant mountains. So for the first technique I want to show you is that I smudged the distant grassy areas without applying any extra paint. Smudging creates a thin layer that is soft and blurry and helps create landforms that recede into the distance. So the second painting technique is called tapping in paint. When it comes to painting foliage, the tapping technique is a useful way to let your brush do the work. I begin by using the top part of my brush to tap in the paint for the foliage of the trees, and in a matter of seconds the trees start taking shape. Tapping the paint also helps create interesting and random textures to create realistic looking foliage. The third technique I used was the wet into wet paint technique. This wet on wet painting technique involves creating 2 areas of wet paint on the canvas and allowing them to touch. This will allow the paint from one area to move or blend into the other. This is a great technique for creating believable ripple water effects. In the final stages of the painting, I refine some areas and add more details to the landscape. And here's the final result. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe as it really helps my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everybody.